cold, it's rainy, we got a blizzard warning. Nothing better than a plate of bolognese. Hi, I'm Josh. I cook a lot. I'm really excited because Jersey Italian Gravy reached out to us a couple weeks ago, sent us all their sauces, and I was so surprised on how good it was. Super simple ingredients, so we're gonna keep it simple today. Making bolognese. As a chef, I'm apprehensive with using canned sauces as you never know what's really in them or the depth of flavor you can get out of them. Being on the West Coast, I'm so excited I can order Jersey Italian Gravy as a staple in my kitchens to keep on hand. I've made this bolognese many different times with many different sauces, and this came out the absolute best because of Jersey Italian Gravy's tomato sauce. We got our gravy, complements the bolognese perfectly. Let's add it. Hot take, put cream cheese in your bolognese. I know it's not traditional, and I'm gonna hear it from everyone, but trust me, put it in there. It's a game changer. This looks amazing. Trust me about the cream cheese. Time to take a bite.